Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is kind of a little bit of an unusual video, but I sure hope it helps somebody out. So this channel is mostly about being creative. In fact, it's all about being creative. Whether you're out in nature, looking at nature's creativity, or you are actually making something and being creative yourself. But I also do unboxings. Now, honestly, I was not going to do a bra unboxing, but I have come to a very difficult situation, and I want to share my story because I don't want y'all to have to go through what I've been going through. So just give you a little bit of a size. I am a medium in shirts, and I like to wear more like the sports bra type thing. Which usually I get a medium. And the one bra that I have been wearing for many, many years is a small, and it actually fits me perfectly. I love it. But guess what? They discontinued it. So for the last several years, I have been in search for that perfect bra. And not only does it need to fit, but what I have problems with is my bras sliding up. And, sliding up to like here. And that is very, very uncomfortable. I want them to stay down. They say it's because of an ill-fitting bra, but I have tried all different sizes and even got measured, and it's just not working. The bra that I love that they discontinued, the part down here is actually kind of a stiff. It's not really rubber, but it stays in place. So that's what I've been looking for. So I ordered one bra. Can't remember what it was called. If I find out what it is, I'll put it down here. But that was a no-go. And then I was looking at the Tommy Copper bras. They looked really good. And I did what they said as far as, the size. I ordered a small. That thing was teeny, teeny. So I got the medium, and it's still not working. I have them right here. My daughter will be getting them, but it's just too short from here to here. And so this comes up on top of my boob. That is not very comfortable. But I really like, the quality is wonderful, but the fit, I don't know anybody that's built like that unless you're a size 00, which that's my daughter. So now I've been looking at another company, and this is where my issues start coming to be. So the name of the company is Shapermint, Shapermint. And they kind of popped up, when you start looking for things. Like I've been looking for bras. I've been not only looking and shopping around, but I've been doing a lot of research on what people think of them. I've gone to YouTube, social media, whatever. And I didn't really see any negatives. But their customer service, it's driving me nuts. And I don't know what to do about it. So after a lot of very careful research, I decided to get they had a True Kind offer. And it looked like, the band looked like it came down. That's going to be non-slip, comes up half my chest there. And I've been really excited about trying them. So I go and I put in one bra. They had a special. It was $35.99. And then all of a sudden I see this freebie in there. It was one of those shapers that for like on the bottom supposed to suck you in, which I don't really care about that. I just want the bra. But that was free. It's like, okay, whatever. And so my total was supposed to be $35.99 plus I think it was like $6.95 shipping. And I don't think there was any tax. If it was, it wasn't a lot. So when I go to check out, I put all my stuff in there, credit card information and all, and I hit, pay. And it asks me, would you like to have this True Kind 2 offer? You can get 2 more bras for $53.99. I was like, no, I just want one. I don't know what these are like. I just want one. So I hit no. Then it asked me again, are you sure about that? You don't want to take advantage of this offer? And then I think it had a something else I could get. And I was tempted, but I'm like, no, I need to make sure these are going to fit and I'm going to like them before I have 3 of them I don't like. So I hit no again. Anyway, 4 times this happened. On the 4th time, I hit no, and then it went and it showed me my total of $101.92, and I had 3 bras coming. I don't want 3 bras. I want 1. Well, I just ordered it, so I thought maybe I could catch them really fast. I could take those out of there and just give me the one I wanted. So I started looking around for a phone number, and of course, nobody has a phone number anymore. You can't talk to a live person. And I tried doing something on Facebook. I got on their Facebook, and of course, it's a bot. You could tell. They were not addressing my issue. They kept asking, is it A, B, C, D? And it was none of the above. And I kept putting other, I kept clicking other. And anyway, it was not working. So I got off that and I went to their website. And again, I know it's a bot. I started chatting with the bot and I still didn't get anywhere. I told the bot the situation and the bot said, oh, I'm sorry. Maybe if we give you half price. Well, while this is going on, I've been having a lot of internet issues. I'm at my mom's house and the internet is just not working well, and I've just been too lazy. I just hate spending time on the phone, and I'm going to have to do that. So I have not gotten it fixed yet, and I have to keep refreshing the internet. So here I am talking to a bot that is not addressing my situation on internet that keeps going down. And I'm like, you know what? Fine. Just fine. Refund me $26. I'll take 2 bras, whatever. They gave me this great deal. And so we were done. So instead of having a $35 order, well, it was $35 plus the shipping and the tax. And I don't remember what that was offhand. But all of a sudden my order is $74.92. Okay, whatever. So then I look on my, oh, I forgot to mention this too. When I was putting in my order the first time, I had to do it twice. My credit card declined, and I'm like, why is it declining? So I called them and they just thought it was a spam. So they reenacted it, but they said you're going to have to go through the order again. So I did. I had to go all through that all over again. So then when I went to go look at my credit card, I have 2 bills, 2 charges for $101.92. So now I'm getting a bra. It's costing over $200. I don't think so. I noticed on my credit card statement that there was a phone number there. I thought, oh, I got a phone number. Woohoo! Don't get too excited too fast, Terry. So when I called that phone number, all it did is say, the mailbox is full. You cannot leave a message. Click. So then I decided to kind of search the internet a little bit more, and I came across another phone number. So I was like, oh, well, maybe. I did get through, but did I talk to a live person? What do you think? All it said was, we will text you. Leave us your phone number. So I did, and now we're texting. I want to talk to a live person. So now I'm talking to somebody through email, and also I went back to my little chat online on their website, talking to somebody there, and I'm talking to all these bots, but no bot seems to understand what's going on. So anyway, if I could, I would just cancel the whole thing and say, forget it. If I knew this was going to happen, would I order these bras? No. Right at this point, when I look at my account, it looks like I've been refunded $101, but then it also looks like I have an order coming, which I hope that's the case. Not the $101 order, but I do want, I don't really know what's going on. So I'm going to wait. It said wait 48 hours before, it may take that long before anything shows up on your credit card. So I'm going to give them 48 hours. So in a few days, couple days here, I will check my my credit card statement. Hopefully that $101 credit will show up. And by the way, the refund for $26.99, that already did show up. So I don't know what's going on. Have y'all ever had issues like this before? Have you ever ordered from this company? It's called, what did I say? Shapermint. I'm kind of curious. Did you like the bra? Did you hate the bra? And let me know. What is your favorite bra? Let me know down in the comment section below, because I am shopping around for one. I have one bra, and I've had it for probably 7 years. So I really need to get a new one. Anyway, I look forward to your comments. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.